event njengokungena nomubani akungena nomubani kule event guys. What did you want from when?
I'm even subscribed to your YouTube.
Hi everyone, welcome to my vlog. Tickle Tiliman Lamunga. Thank you guys so much for 300k. Aibo, since 300k. Thank you guys so much for 3k followers on this page. Today we're spending time with Netflix. Say out of office namhlanje ma asbereki. Kumele ngabe ngibereki nje njengamanje, but ngilana njengamanje phambi kwecamera ngiyabereka. I'm going to take you guys with me to the event. It's not really an event, my besho, but it's a PR ton. Yeah, but I'm gonna take you guys with me. Samben sobona lapha ku Netflix basiphatheleni usisters lo usenza inzipho njengamanje, inkophe njengamanje. Say hi.
Hi guys, ninjani? Niyabili.
Ngani cha ukuzobona inkophe zakho? Seqedile kade enza unonku manje.
Guys, nazi inkophe zami.
Bhekana ngala. Yes. Guys, please come to your lashes bandla lashes by Nqobile Nkosi yami ugel uyashake eye njengamanje sekuzoba yimina kuzowenza inkophe, and then I'm gonna do my makeup. We have to be at the event. She's my +1. We have to be at the event at 4:30. Isikhathi njengamanje ucungiphi isikhathi?
It's 2:30.
It's 2:30. So I'm about to do my lashes, do my makeup. Outfit yami othi sihlangene ingaphandle njengamanje. Mase ngigqoka nje ngizonitshengisa ukuthi ngigqokani, but it's going to be very bright, very girly, very cutesy. Angenza inkophe zami ke khona solungile indlela. Kodwa umlomo wami indlela obuyiyona.
Abo manje fashion bright.
Nonku.
Nganami.
Uyabo.
So improve le kodwa mina anisuke
and ngathi mawubuka la ngathi uqinile lapha uqinile enhloko. Hi guys. Welcome back. Welcome Blackie. Hi guys. Welcome back. I'm done with my lashes. I'm watching Mandy Kesa's Lobola negotiations vlog. Ay! Lalela! Ashadonda ngaye so. Sisale nje samanani. Thiwi nana noma ineni ineni loku kuba matshitshi kuze kuyovalwa lokho kufaka into ekanje nani ngoba ongqoka igane phephudli kuba ngigqoka igane phephudli bekuzazi ukuthi okay, let's do our face. Yeah, I don't want something too hectic ngizoba nje ne face beat ethe ukuthi ikhanda lami avele ibothokile. Leli khanda leli beli right 3 days ago ngalala nayo and bengifaka ibonnet the whole time. Kodwa ngibukene njani
camera yethu ifileka as-store. Siyabuya.
Asilungiseni ngine hope yokuthi I'll make it work. Ekugcineni kwakho konke. I have all of this. I borrowed my mom's bag of makeup because I'm not used to doing my face. But yeah, this is her bag. Ngizohlanganisa lokwami nalokwakhe. So, ungosami nesiboko sakhe. Ngoleka isiboko ngo. So I have to use this one again. Yeah, let's use this one. Let's refagger the sunscreen. We'll use it as the primer because I'm not a primer.
I didn't want anything too formal and make it formal. and there was just not gonna be a vibe Christmas shoots. Besides, even the vibe of the Christmas shoots, it sets up.
I don't know if this is the right way to apply this thing. You highlight a little. Then I also have to apply a little bit of pink. La. Pink. Siyasithetha manje i-lighting is not that great. Ngizongibona kahle uma sesengingaphandle. Oh, umjola how that bad.
He kept his promise.
Okay, I'm gonna wear this jeans.
Really.
Got this from Levi's.
I hope you're right. If you're new here, Ikamalami Gumandi, okay, so
hi again, I couldn't check this Levi's got hello. Hyper focus. Okay, this is Levi's. This is Levi's also.
Just received lab. These are the
These are so nice.
This is the date.
Hey, again, this was 600 rands. This was.
I think he did it on purpose. I don't know. Should I read them? I think I should. And then Mrs. Speaker Ekaya Ngibanige. Cannot wait to get my
mother's 1.4 lo. Nizobona ngithangathani. Nizobona. Lindani guess.
And then after that,
Mibone sesifikile esigamekweni singivale i-aircon kwanze ngizwa kahle ya ngifuna ukugcoba ngishaya ama-touch ngifuna ukugqoka i-coat because it's raining or cela batshengise imvula sikuyana layitaxa nje layivaxa ngifuna uku-eda lona ke kwi-OOTD yami and I feel like it's gonna work. So I'm only gonna wear it mase sengiphumele ngaphandle kwamanje ngisagcoba ngigcoba iqakala nginjiyaya ukuze ngizofika lapha ngiphashash uzangazi tasi ukuthi ngiyowaza ku Netflix kangazi kodwa ke ngoba sinosisa ama ghost Kunsiwaziwa nje stititi. Sengiyaziwa. Netflix clock it. Kangazi ukuthi ngiyowazi uNetflix. Ba manje kehleka nabo.
Sikwenye event nje kungene noma ubani, akungene noma ubani le event guys. Ayi ukuthi ngiyachoma ke njalo.
Hi guys. Sesifikile kudlala music ke la bazosikhatha ne copyright nje. Nje la bazosikhatha nje ne copyright. Okay. Sikhatha nje ne copyright. Hi.
Zodani numa conta essa vloga.
Opening best.
Oh, we mocktail like.
Yeah, we have
Can I have that? When I
What you phone to try now?
on check, poop on check, big on check, everything on check.
No play.
Hello. Can I have water, please? Can I have water and then down? Oh, and it's not gonna look nice for everyone else. Oh, come on, oh. Thank you, babe. All right. Mama said, "Wow, Spanish." She didn't do it on purpose. Come on, I'm going cake. I'm going cake. Hey, bro, what's the cake? I never see no. I was never. Oh, no, can't I? Hey, I want you. Slinding to Angu, man, just get.
Hey, say oh.
No, and you're such a cold,
Go ahead. You sure?
Do you mean I'm sure? I'm not sure.
How about that?
Okay. Maybe to talk at home, that's me. I better not come and go and shoot the skins.
I'll make you chicken.
Bazothula ngqo. Abakongazi basazongibona ngakuhle.
It's just a different shape. Let me go back some.
Yeah.
So, oh my God.
You're welcome. Ngizothi ifoni ne-veg sengodelela ukudla kwami. Ngiyakuzikayo nje ngale ndawo lo music. Yes. Ngiye ngazi yona vele ukuthi yona emnandi ukusekuseni. Ngiyabonga.
Big fan. Babe, I love you, Jen.
What is over there from when?
I'm even subscribed to your YouTube.
Really? Oh my god. Lapho ngikhize ngikubona before your page yami.
Really?
Kodwa akaze ngizokay osengingene ngimbhek. You a star yourself, hey. I don't know. Phela nibuyeni ba superstar bese ngiyasunfollow.
No, mina kambe ngabe sekwenzeke manje.
Now that we see
Yeah, no, I can't unfollow shit, man. But I used to follow you.
Okay,
Yeah, no. But I'm sure.
Yeah, so what do you want
I used to watch your videos, right?
And actually, yes, there's a lot of people that I meet, like celebrities, but actually, I'm subscribed to your channel. You're not the first to show me who's able. Where the channel is, yes. Double L. My connection is so bad. You're doing so great also. I'm very proud of you. Thank you so much. You make it for yourself. She's my sister. She's my baby sister. So now I'm a kid. Yes. Thank you so much. No, you too, hey. You too. Yeah. Lalela, sigala tutafuna la ngaphandle. Kodwa mina engizokusho ukuthi ngiyitwitwi, angilona itshiki ngiyitwitwi but itafuna lami lingaphandle. Hey, kanqamba manga. Yo, this thing is bad. It doesn't look nice. Hold on. Okay. Okay, this is my food. Can you please show them your food? This is my food. The pasta. It's a pretty event for namhlanje. Salsa fruity. Same time, same place. Hopefully I'm gonna put, actually I need to edit this video right now as soon as I can, so that I can post it. Nibonisa fresh. Same time, same place tomorrow.
Get your professional photos.
Easy.
Did you get your professional photos from the QR code?
Yes, no, actually, I'm getting someone and give Google. My connection is actually so bad, eh?
Did you try?
Yes, I did.
I want you to still have the link even if you so you can get it. Just let me know if it's lit.
Okay, so I'm a manager. Yeah, bona. Oh, boy, shame. Yes, lenga ngiyangitest. Awufuni mpo? The application is so loud. I don't go so much. Bye.
my own guinea, you fill it out. Let's go. I show you.